5, 6, 7, 8, over 900 degrees. Okay, for roasted peppers, you just want to take these babies and oil them up, get them on the fire. Okay, after 5 minutes, your peppers should look about like this. You can actually hear the skin popping off them. Next step, place them back in the mixing bowl, and I'll show you what we're going to do after that. 50,000 chef supplies in stock. chefdepot.com. Please visit the site today. Check it out. Okay, the finished roasted peppers. They look pretty good. The next step is to cover them. Many people say to use plastic. However, I would like you to live longer, and we're going to use metal. A metal lid. Put the lid on. This will be ready in about 15 minutes. And they're actually steaming or continuing the cooking process to release those skins.